Alright guys, so magpa-practice kami today. Details.
Oha, yeah.
Details.
Oha and Taicho will be practicing today.
So yun, magpa-practice kami ng details ng kata.
Yan ni Dan.
Hiyan ni Dad. So, let's